choo-choo, here we go. Magic train begins to roll. Toy friends wave with happy smiles. Let's explore for many miles. Blocks are stacked so big and tall. Let's build castles one and all. Every color shines so bright. Building toys are pure delight. Teddy bears all laugh and play, sharing treats throughout the day. Friends together full of cheer, happy moments always near.
Robots working one by one, making toys for everyone. Turn the gears and watch them spin. Magic toys are made within.
Up we float so high above, flying with our friends we love. Balloons dancing in the sky, wave to everyone nearby. Music fills the joyful square. Happy songs are everywhere. Clans and tap your feet. Toy friends make the day so sweet. Toy castle shining bright, filled with magic and delight. Happy friends all wave hello. Come inside, let's watch it glow. Golden key begins to shine. Magic treasures now are mine. Open doors to worlds so new. Wonderful dreams will all come true. Wave goodbye, don't you cry. More toy fun is waiting high. See you soon, we'll laugh and play in Toy City every day.